It's what? Thursday? Study नहीं आती. Oh. Did little bit of the gym. It's first day of me being at ICLA, so things are gonna change. Okay, guys, there is a cockroach inside this thing. Okay, he was roaming around. Long time no see, guys. My friend Shafakat from Surat. Shafakat from Surat. એટલે કેવું લાગે? શું કહેવાય, આપણે વીકેન્ડ છે તો મેં કીધું કે હાલો આપણે શું કહેવાય ફ્રેન્ડના ઘરે જતા આવીએ તો સરજી આવ્યા છે. અને ઇટ્સ રિયલી ગુડ. આઈ કેન સે બહુ મસ્ત એરિયા ભાઈ. ગઈકાલે ઓશોમાં ગયા તો મને ખબર પડી કે ઓશો સૌથી ચીપેસ્ટ છે એનું. અને હું લૂંટાઈ જતો હતો ભાઈ. હું જે નટેલાના બિસ્કીટ ને લઈ આવતો કઈ બાજુ જવું આઈ ડોન્ટ નો. આમ જાય આપણે એની વાસીને બહુ મસ્ત લાગે ભાઈ. હા જો મસ્ત આખું લાઈક કેમ દેખાડું. ઇટ લુક સો ગુડ ભાઈ. પિકનિક કરવા આવીએ 3-4 જણાનું, 3-4 ને પણ મોટાનું ફ્રેન્ડ ગ્રુપ હોય ને અહીંયા તો મજા આવે. ફ્રેન્ડ ગ્રુપ તો પણ તારું ઘર કેટલું દૂર હે સિટીથી? બહુ દૂર હે ભાઈનું ઘર. કલાક બહુ દૂર નહીં કલાક. પણ ધ થિંગ ઇઝ કે લાઈક મેન જર્મન છે ફડે મસ્ત એને પીટબુલ લેવલું સરસ. મેં કીધું ને અહીંયા હરિયાળી હે ને હરિયાળી કરતા વધારે કૂતરા છે. કૂતરા દેખાડો શું એમ નો દેખાડે. એની ભેગા એના માણસ છે યાર. એને એમ થાય કે આપણે શું કહેવાય એની ઓલી કરીએ મારી નવા બેઠા. એ નહોતું બોલવાનું મારી વાં જો એટલે શું કહેવાય ભાઈ લાઈક the nature is so fucking pretty. I don't know if you can hear the bird chirping, but it's so peaceful. મજા આવી જાય ભાઈ. સરજી છે ને લાઈક હું શું કહેતો કે એનું જે ઘર છે ને એ સરજી પ્રિફેક્ચરની બહુ બાજુમાં છે. 7 મિનિટ્સનું વોક સમથિંગ અરાઉન્ડ છે. એટલે લાઈક મેઇન પોઈન્ટથી એનું ઘર નજીક છે. સો ઇટ્સ 1 hour. મારું ઘર મેઇન પોઈન્ટથી ને જરાક દૂર છે. જીઓસી મેઇન પોઈન્ટ. જીઓસી રહેતો હોત ને તો મારું ઘરે 1 hour કે 40 મિનિટ જેવું થઈ જાય સીધું ઘર દૂર નોર્થ આરિયાર ડી પકડીને. બટ નેવર માઇન્ડ. લટકાવાનું લટકાય તું કહેતો હોય તો લટકાવાનું ઇન ધ સેન્સ ઓલું શું કહેવાય હાથેથી લટકાવાનું હોય. મરવાવાળું લટકાવાનું નહીં. પુલઅપ્સ કરવાનું છે. બીજું ન વિચારતા નહીં. ટ્રાય કરશું કેટલા કરસ. હાલો આજ ખબર પડે સફાકતમાં કેટલી તાકાત છે. મૂકી દે બેગ નીચે ખાલી જ છે. હાલ લાવ પકડું. રોઝા છે ભાઈના એટલે સ્ટેમિના નથી. ટ્રાય કર લટકવાની પગ વાળ. એ તો તું ચડી જ નહીં હક પીકિંગ. ઓહો ઓહો ગ્રીપ બનાવો. 1 2 3 4 5. Nice. Well done. You can see this and little bit this. I don't know, it's uneven. My right side of the body is kind of more powerful, I can say, because when I punch with someone with my right hand, he could get knocked. But if I do with left, he won't feel anything. So it's weird for me. Around there is some almond in the water, and there was cockroach. So I am playing with them. Everybody is sleeping. It is 4 in the night, so everyone is sleeping. Inside this is a cockroach. There is a wait. Where the fuck is he? Yes, here. See, do you see him? So I trapped him inside so that he cannot go. I will kill him very badly. He will die miserably. And I am having Jackery, God, with spawn. I also had Save Mamra, Pocas. So I am having so much fun. I am having so much fun, guys. I am running late, very late. So, actually, by this time I should be at university for the company case. It's 4:30, and I have to be there till 8, I guess. So, yeah. Let's open the treasure. Let's see what we got. We got ginger beer. What the fuck? Yeah, we got soda ginger beer. We got martini. Oh my god. And I'm so fucking tired. My water bottle. And of course, we have the vodka. It's Grey Goose vodka. And what else we have? I guess we have one more thing. This is the company case, corporate partners, challenge our best friends, and blah blah blah. Fuck it. So today was something like, what can I say? Tamara biscuit. Today was something. Company case challenge means the biggest, not the biggest, the good for 15 companies that came to our what do we say, campus to challenge the students, not me or not my batch or my friend group, but what can I say is the last year students, the end of study internships students, and we were just volunteering it. So I was acting as a bartender and also as the person who takes them to the room and talks with them. And then this all things are stolen. Okay, nothing is bought. Everything is stolen. So yeah, obviously, if they are making us do some work and that is free, then bro, I am Indian. I'm just gonna scam the shit out of you. So that's it. And I got the orange juice. That is also booch marelu se. What else? Very hungry. Very very hungry. Because I only had a subway. That too at what? 5 in the evening, and right now it's 10:30. I still need to go hit gym. I am fogged, bro, and today is back and shoulders, so I will not skip it no matter what. I will not gonna skip it because if I lose the consistency, then I'm gonna fuck everything up. Let's see what we have for food. Let's see what Harshpai makes for us, and we will have it, and then do the vasan and go to gym because I have 2 lectures tomorrow. That's the a bigger fuck up that it's already 10:30. I have not eaten. I'll eat. We'll eat. I'll wash the utensil. Then I go hit gym. Then I come again to home. Then bath, and then I go to sleep. So I'm not going to have enough sleep, and I'm super tired. ઓકે સો એકચ્યુઅલી મારો રૂમ છે ને એમાં બહુ મોટી બારી છે કે જેમાં તમે બહાર આવી શકો. ઇટ ઇઝ હ્યુજ સ્પેસ કે જ્યાં બધા પાઇપ્સ પડ્યા છે એન્ડ એવરીથિંગ એલ્સ. ધ ઓનલી થિંગ ઇઝ કે ધીસ ઇઝ મોસ્ટ પ્રોબેબલી ઇલીગલ. 95% I am sure that being over here it's not allowed. But the only thing that I'm afraid is that if you can see the number 7, number 8, there's the lift. So if anyone comes over there, they can see me. No one else. I mean, there are other rooms, but probably no one is out poking their face, looking at me that what the fuck is this guy doing. So that's a thing. And I'm having my thepla. બપોરના થેપલા વધ્યા તો મેં આપણે થેપલા ખાઈ લે કારણ કે હર્ષભાઈ is out for his job. So it's just me and I am lazy to cook. I mean, I don't even know how to cook. So the weather is really good. It's 9, but it looks like it's 7, to be honest, 7:30. And it's cloudy, so it's dark, but otherwise the weather, I mean, the sky will be lit up right now because the sunset time is at 9. And after sunset, like 30 minutes, 45 minutes, there will be still some of the sunlight. So the view is really good. I don't know if you guys can see, but over there, I mean over there, there's the mountainous region. So on the daytime, it looks really good, you know. But the only thing I'm afraid is no one complains me, because there are no cameras over here that, you know, they can capture me. But you know, people can see me, so if they see, they can complain me that, you know, that there was a guy outside roaming. Because from here I can go to a room over here, right on my right side. On my left side I can go all the way to the, you know, up front. And you know, it is a risky place, and there's an airport nearby, so I'm just enjoying the airplanes going blah blah blah. What else excites a kid inside me other than seeing multiple airplanes going around? So I mean, the weather is good. I'm not even wearing any, you know, jacket or something, because it's like around 20. And you know, right now the weather is good, because last week it was raining and windy and sunny and all together, but this week it's kinda cool. So I'm happy with the weather this week. So yeah, that's it. This will be the outro of the whole week, that what I did. So yeah, I hope you guys had a nice weekend also. There's one more plane over there. There is one more plane over there. Yeah. Ooh, I'm happy to be at Tikla. You know, we have like every fucking thing I needed. Like, there is a esports room, there is gym, there is you know, table tennis, there is snooker, and what fuck not, bhai. So I'm just gonna enjoy my life over here. See you later. Bye bye. Peace out.